Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Robinhood wallet so you can start holding, sending or receiving crypto easily. For those who do not know, Robinhood Wallet is a feature in the Robinhood app that lets you store, send, receive and manage cryptocurrencies and cash securely from your phone. Unlike the regular Robinhood investing account, the wallet gives you full control of crypto transaction and your own wallet address. So first you need to open to the Robinhood app and make sure you already have it. You can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And once you open to your Robinhood app, you can select the wallet over here on the top and make sure the wallet is fully set up and verified. This is required to deposit or refund funds. And if the region supports cash deposits, you can select in the top left corner there's a 3-line icon here. Select that, and once you reach into this interface that says deposit, you need to select the deposit. You can enter the amount you want to deposit and follow the on-screen instructions to link a bank account or the debit card. And in some countries, direct cash deposits may not be available and you will not see this option. And in that case, do not worry, you can still deposit using crypto. To deposit crypto, you need to select the deposit here and select the crypto that you want. As I'm going to select one of the Bitcoin here. Over here, you need to scan the QR or copy the address to receive the BTC. And once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your crypto will appear in the Robinhood wallet. And this works anyway even if your region does not support bank deposits. And after your deposit, you can go back to the wallet home screen to see your updated balance. Now you can send crypto, receive more funds, and convert between currencies directly into your wallet. And that's how you deposit money into Robinhood wallet. And you know now the step of to get started. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you have any confusions or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.